So what we're going to do is take a slide, flipping the slide over, you guys, so you can see action. Before we get started, click that subscribe button, turn notifications, give me a huge thumbs up. So let's get started.
It's going to be a gladiator match out there.
Wait. Okay, good. We should go. That's so cool. Put that up. Whoa. Wait, can we still rolling? Yeah, here you guys are. You guys are still rolling, aren't you? Time to see the side. Whoa. But now it's time for you guys to see it in slow mo.
And now for the big moment. It's time for us to switch up the competition.
Let's see if you guys did all that. Get ready for the bubble. Crystals. Okay.
And it's up and over the ramp and into that beautiful blue water. Adelaide, we're proud of giving you races no one else can. Drivers must master it all or be left behind. They've got just one shot at being the best. Time's running out for our drivers to make a move on the water.
So hope you guys subscribe, hit that notification bell, and hope you guys subscribe to my channel. See you guys later. Bye.